What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today it's gonna be a follow-up video of something that we was trying to get done, and we finally got it done today. But I'm gonna show y'all right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
All right, guys, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready for me to show y'all? All right, y'all ready? Oh, you can see a little bit over there. Oh. All right, we got her running. Let me show them. Oh, you can't see it. Anyways, we put a brand new carburetor on there, and Dad put everything back together.
Yep.
Let me see.
Turn it on.
Can you see it on this side?
I think so.
You can't. Yeah, you can see it right there. Brand new carburetor on there, guys. And she fired right up. So they've been having a blast on that thing. Even Mama rode it. Even Samari rode it. Everybody rode it. Yep. Y'all having fun?
Yeah. We let it cool down. Yeah.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Cooling it down.
Y'all gonna let it cool down? Right now? Why she getting on then? You're a knucklehead.
I was just sitting on it. I can go fast.
Okay, well we're gonna let. All right, well y'all let me know when y'all ready to ride. Having fun. Always eating and stuff. Easy. We got weight on here now. We got me on here. Why you stop? Go. I bet it looked bad when I was on there.
Why not we get on with you?
We're just hanging out today, guys. No work today. Who going?
Me.
You going? Go.
Go to the
Don't be parking so close. Put it down now?
Yeah.
Stop. Don't
It's
park
my
so
turn
close to
because
the
that was basically. I'm going fast. So to get on with me. I could go by myself. So to get on with me.
You can't drive.
Go.
Don't turn too fast. They rolling now. They got it down now, guys. We actually put it out yesterday. What you think, brother? We should buy a big one, huh? So I can ride too, huh? I said we get a dirt bike.
Dirt bike.
Man, we get for it.
Bro, I was going faster. Was I going faster? Yeah, but I was going faster.
Y'all funny. Got her out here washing it. Look. Got her out here washing. Yeah, clean it up. Yeah. Alright guys, we got it all cleaned up. Looking a lot better. Right.
Yep.
Y'all gonna keep riding? Oh man, we got a cheerleader on the back. Uh-oh. Nah, y'all in the video. Y'all gotta get together. Get together. They already know what?
Huh?
They already know the what?